What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today we're going to learn how to play The Climb by Miley Cyrus on the good old uke. As always with every ukulele tutorial that I upload here on YouTube, I will include a skip to section right here where you can skip to the chords or the strumming for this song if you don't want to sit through an entire 10-minute video. I totally get you, but if you do, I would love you forever. Also, what I do want to note is that I actually uploaded the full play along for this song already. It's already live. I'll link it in the top of the comments, also in the description of this video, so make sure to click the show more button in the description so you can see all the good stuff that's in there. Highly recommend you watch it after you watch this video, because that basically has the chords and lyrics on the screen while I'm playing and singing the entire song, so it's an easy play along for you. That's why they call it a play along. Also, for your convenience and just my gift to you, I'll leave the entire chord sheet is basically the lyrics and chords also in the description, with the chord right above the word that you need to change. So it's super easy for you. Everything will be in the description below. But with all that said and done, let's go ahead and talk about the chords that we need for this song. Alright, so the chords that we need for this song are A minor, B minor, C, D, E minor, and last but not least, G. So those are all the chords that you need for this song. If you're like, Ricky, I know all the chords, let's move on to the strumming. Again, skip to section will be your best friend. Best friend, meet your best friend right here. Just go to the timestamp wherever it says strumming, and that will take you to that section for the video of how we actually learn how to play the song. But if you're like, Ricky, please help me. I've only started playing like a week ago, yesterday, an hour ago. I literally just found this uke in my room, and I was like, let me go on the internet and find a video of a tutorial for this song. And you're here and you're like, Ricky, I don't know I don't even know how you hold it. Do you hold it like this? Do you hold it like this? Don't worry, this is why this video exists. We're going to go step by step on where to put our fingers on the uke for each chord, and then we'll talk about strumming. So if you want to learn how to play each chord, then just simply keep on watching. But before we talk about chords, let's quickly talk about how we number the strings and the frets. And if you're like, Ricky, I had no clue we even number the strings and the frets, then listen up, this section is definitely for you. So let's go pick up our uke, and the top string is going to be the 4th string. The next one down is going to be the 3rd. The next one down is going to be the 2nd, and the last one at the bottom, that's going to be the 1st string. So it's going to be 4, 3, 2, 1. So now let's go ahead and take a look at our actual fretboard, and I'm going to do that beauty guru, put your hand behind the product so you can actually focus on this. So this is going to be the 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret, 5th fret, and then so on. So you see they have this marker right here. That's the 5th fret. And whenever I say put your finger on the 1st fret, you're going to put your finger in between these two lines. So 1st fret's here, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th. So that's what you need to know before we move on to chords. Alright, so now let's talk about the chords that we need for this song. As always, I will include a visual representation right next to me where you're going to put your fingers on the uke. I feel like it's just a lot more helpful when you can actually visually see, and then also have me talk you through it. So it's like, boom, the best of both worlds. So let's talk about the first chord that we need is the A minor chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your middle finger, and you're going to place your middle finger on the 4th string, which again, that's the top string, 4th string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the B minor chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger, and you're going to take your pointer finger, and it's going to go over all 4 strings on the 2nd fret, and then you're going to take your middle finger, and you're going to place your middle finger on the 4th string, 4th fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the C chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your ring finger, and you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 1st string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord is the D chord, and how I like to play this a little bit differently, but if you want to do it the normal way, I'll show you the normal way as well. So my way is you're going to take your pointer finger, and you're going to take your pointer finger and go over the top two strings, which is the 4th and 3rd string on the 2nd fret. And then you're going to take your middle finger and place your middle finger on the 2nd string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. Another way, I guess the more traditional way, is you take your pointer finger and you place it on the 4th string, 2nd fret. Then you take your middle finger and you place it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. And then you take your ring finger and you place it on the 2nd string, 2nd fret. So the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string on the 2nd fret are all occupied by these 3 fingers. And it should sound like this. So basically it's the same thing, but my finger's a little bit more thicky than maybe a traditional ukulele player, so I just like to do it the other way. So choose which way feels more comfortable for you, and let's go on and get the next chord. The next chord that we need is the E minor chord, and how I always say it looks like a staircase going down. So how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger, and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 1st string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and then your ring finger on the 3rd string, 4th fret, and it should sound like this. And the last chord that we need for this song is the G chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. Perfect. So those are all the chords that you need for this song. If you need a little extra more time, make sure to press the pause button, rewind to whatever section or chord that you need a little bit more practice on. Make sure that everything sounds crisp and clear when you strum. And when you have that down, let's go ahead, press play, and now let's talk about how we're going to play this song with the strumming coming up next. Alright, so we just learned the chords. Now let's talk about how we're going to actually play this song with the strumming. So I'm going to teach you 2 different ways. One is going to be for the beginner who literally just started and is like, I just want to play this song and get through it. And the second way is the actual strumming pattern that I did for the full play along. So for the first way, you can just do a down strum. So whenever you see a chord change, you strum down. So again, that will all be provided in the description. You can copy and paste it, keep it for yourself, and you have the lyrics and chords for you. So it will kind of sound like this. I can almost see it, and that dream I'm dreaming, but there's a voice, blah, 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 blah. So that's how it's going to sound with the down strum. So it's super easy and definitely very doable if you just started playing. Just strum down. So now the second way that we can play this song, and the actual way that I played it in the full play along, again, link will be in the description and in the top comments, is going to be a down, up, down, up, down, up. So let's do that one more time. I have the G chord down, so it's going to be down, up, down, up, down, up. So again, let's do it one more time. I feel like we're almost there. In 3, 2, 1, down, up, down, up, down, up. So you're going to play that strumming pattern twice for every chord, and that is pretty much it. It's just going to sound like this. I can almost see it, that dream I'm dreaming, but blah, 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 I don't want to get copyrighted. But that is the strumming pattern. Again, the 2 ways you can do it is just with the down strum, or the down, up, down, up, down, up. All right. right, so we learned the chords and the 2 different ways you can strum this song with the down strum and the actual strumming pattern. So congratulations, you now know how to play The Climb by Miley Cyrus on the good old uke. If you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification right next to it to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. Thank you so much for hanging out with me for these 10-15 minutes. I truly love hanging out, learning new music, and just relaxing and learning the vibes of the new, I guess not new Miley Cyrus, but let me know what you think of the new Miley Cyrus song in the comments below. Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let me think what you think in the comments. I actually kind of like it. The first time I heard it, I was like, I don't know, but then it's growing on me. And the music video is absolutely insane. So highly recommend to watch her new song. I think it's called Midnight Sky. Yeah, it's all over YouTube and everywhere. iTunes, Apple, whatever. But yeah, let me know what you think about that song. Also, if you're like, Ricky, what is this beautiful uke? This is the Hola ukulele. Little close up. Hola. It is sort of this greenish color, absolutely amazing. It has sort of a design around the sound hole and the markers on the fretboard. If you do want to get this uke, I'll leave a link in the description. We can be uke twins. This was actually on in one of my videos, the Amazon review video that I did, under $75. So this uke, a concert-sized uke, really awesome, great strings, is under $75. I believe this was $74. So if you want to get this uke, be uke twins with me. And honestly, I was very surprised about this uke. For 70 bucks, it's a steal, and it's a great uke. I was initially, when I was like bought this uke, I was like, I don't know, I'll probably just give it to a friend or I'll donate it to somebody that wants it. But then when I played this, I was like, I'm gonna keep this uke because this is actually really awesome. So highly recommend this uke. Again, link will be in the description below. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's just at Ricky Somborn. We've reached 56,000 Instagram family members, and I'd love for you to join. If you haven't already, send me a DM, let me know what video you came from, and let's talk. If you have questions about ukes, songs, whatever, send me a DM on Instagram or just write it in the comments below. I love to answer all the comments that I get on these YouTube videos because I don't really get that many. So you have a better chance on Instagram and also in the YouTube comments to let me know if you have song recommendations, uke recommendations, life recommendations. I'm not the best at life advice, but if you have any life advice, either you want to ask me or give me, be like, Ricky, you suck. Don't say that, but be nice in the comments below. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.